Remove email from Snapchat account. Jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner. As soon as you do that, you want to tap on settings on the top right corner. Here are all the information related to your Snapchat. Tap on email. Now this is the email that you're using. To remove this, what you want to do is you want to remove this, but the key point is you cannot leave this blank. You have to enter another email and confirm. Enter the password of the email and it will send a verification code to your phone. And when you enter the verification code, you will change the email. However, you cannot remove email from Snapchat account wholly, but you can hide your email from your friends on Snapchat or on other Snapchat users. For that, you have to turn off let users find me using my email address. For that, all you have to do is just tap on the green button right there and you're good to go. And that is all for today. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.